Pak. Ya akhir zaman Budawi juga Allah Ta'ala bihi ma'rufin al-fasih bilisan syarek zaman abi nikah dan anjen ka istri nami Syahrin neng Amelia putrina Bapak Anidin. Pak Anidin terus ngawakilkan kami kawan nikah benana kalian nikah nganggo mas kawin anting emas 1 gram dibayar kontan.
Abdi kafe nikah ke Siti dan Amelia putri Bapak Anidin nganggo abdi kalian nganggo mas kawin 1 gram emas dibayar kontan.
For me, and darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love. Now knowing what it was, I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. And baby, I'm
happy wedding buat dia sama Asep.
Semoga menjadi keluarga yang bahagia, sakinah, mawaddah, warohmah. Amin. Insyaallah tahun payun abi nyusul.
Selat halal boy, sawahnya diboyor, turun.
Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know.